How to crop Snapchat photos and videos. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I am on my camera roll on Snapchat. So if we want to crop a video, we just have to go to uploads. So click here. Then from here go to camera roll if you want. Then here I will search for a video. I will go for this one. It has 10 seconds. So here we have to click on those three dots from the right top of the page. You cannot see them because I have a white background at this video, but they are there. So from here, click on Edit Snap. And then from here, the crop icon is this one. So click on that. And then from here you have to click on the page and make the screen bigger or smaller. So you can do that. And once you are pleased with it, you can click on the blue check mark and then send this to your friends or to your story, whatever you want. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope you liked this video and I hope it was useful for you. If it was, you can smash that like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to comment down below if you like this video or not. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.